J and Ida ikavil usa.
What level of Speak Gaelic is right for you?
SpeakGaelic has a curriculum based on the CEFRL.
Common European Framework of Reference for Languages.
Ha sin steigtje cheàrr. Ahern, ja, behern, biga, see. SpeakGaelic covers from A1 to B2.
A1 is intrigi, entry level. I can use basic phrases and expressions. Calum in Tenamahorum.
A2 is bunachach, foundation. I can use sentences and communicate on familiar and routine matters. Is misha Calum agus haminam huya ansachilya.
B1 is etervianach, intermediate.
I can understand and communicate about situations and topics I'm familiar with. I can talk about hopes and dreams. Hamisha jidach and dagas nach brish igeke ha shaw, ska as conjunish and kron, gana Calum hafoam. B2 is urtoch, advanced. I can understand the main ideas of complex texts and interact with a degree of spontaneity and fluency with native speakers. See heist gita. Kviet krev vies akket rirep, kun cheachakket nide, ik wil misje rukshin.
B.
Ja.
Ovov.
No.
Want to know more? Go to speakgaelic.scot.